What's up, guys? Artillo Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Ozark Trail utensil pocket knife. Let's begin. So yes, this is what's the actual title of this knife is basically called as the hobo knife. Yes, or the Ozark Trail hobo knife. So these pieces were basically nested together. If you don't know what they are, or utensil knife, well, I guess it's you can see these the two big pins on both sides, and it will have a hole on each sides too. They say to look, opposite it and all. So you could probably know you put this inside these holes and these pegs inside these holes. And you could basically nest them both together to basically just make that into, combined into one, multi-tool or pocket knife itself. So that's basically what it is. So let's get to the fork side first, as you could probably know for that. So we got this side. Now, most of these components and pieces is made of stainless steel. You got basically of 4 pins on both sides, and the scales is made of piece of steel, and well, all the pieces or rather the components on these are made of stainless steel. So our fork side, we got the fork itself. We got the can opener and bottle opener, which it makes it pretty useful, and of course a corkscrew. So the size itself, the piece or rather the whole thing while it's closed would be around about of 4.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the corkscrew would be around about of 1 3/4. Meanwhile, for the overall size would be around about 2 3/4. Meanwhile, for the can opener, bottle opener itself would be around about of 2 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size, it would be around about of 6 quarters, or no, it's 6.5 inches. And now we get to the fork itself, is around about of 3 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size is around about of 7.5 inches. And now we get to the spoon section. Now we got the spoon itself. And this one is kind of weird about it, but this one's actually pretty interesting. This is called a tent reamer, which you could probably know that one. And of course, the single blade. Drop points, pretty much good for a pocket knife. Now for the size itself. Now the size on the tent reamer is around about of 1 3/4. Now for the overall size, it'd be around about of 3 inches. The spoon itself would be around about of 3 inches. Now for the overall size with the spoon deployed is around about of 7 quarters. And certainly, and not at least, is the pocket knife, or rather the knife blade section itself, is around about of 2.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size would be around about of 7 quarters. So let's test these bad boys out. So the results out there is, I mean, that's pretty good. That's a pretty clean cut, or rather a pretty good cut of all things. I mean, it's like have a piece of plastic basically holding the thing itself, which is very insane about it. So I actually think this is a pretty decent piece of all things. So I give the Ozark Trail hobo knife, or Ozark Trail utensil knife, an astounding of a 7 out of 10. It's basically a pretty good pocket knife to own. So, hey, that's not bad about it. So that wraps up the Ozark Trail utensil pocket knife. I'm Artillboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.